One of the features about the S1000D specification is the ability to cross-refer from one data module to another. The problem with this is, of course, that you need to specify the complete data module code, and as we all know, that can be quite tricky at times. So we provided, as part of the Data Reference Manager, a very straightforward and easy way to refer from one data module to another, and we'll show that to you now. So one of the things I'm going to do is to put the insertion point just between those two words. For the purposes of this, that's fine. Now, the cross-reference from one data module to another is done by using the dmref element, which is that one there. And what we have set up here is the ability for the Eclipse S1000D package to recognize that with this particular Modelic project, then by clicking on that and clicking on Insert, what we do now is to interrogate the Data Reference Manager. And what we have come up on the screen now is all the data modules which have been inserted into the Data Reference Manager database. So you can see that you've got quite a lot there. If you want to, you can drill down through the data module code, and as you drill up or down, you see you get more and more data modules. And of course, how many data modules you get at each level will depend entirely on the breakdown and how many data modules there are at each one. So I'm just going to have the whole lot here because I'm not too worried about which one it is. I just want to show you as the function of the package that we've got. So what I'm going to do is to, at that point, I'm going to select that one there, which as you can see, it's issue 1, bicycle, which is the tech name, and the info name is other procedures to clean. Now, I'm going to insert the data module title, because that's quite useful to have it in there. If for some reason or other the data module, the target data module, is not included in the publication that you're going to do, then you will at least have the data module code followed by the tech name and info name, so you know where it's supposed to go. So what I'm going to do is just click on the Insert Ref DM button there. We're told that it's been inserted, and as you can see, it's been done. There's the data module reference, and the code, and there's the title, tech name, and info name. So it's been inserted. What I want to show now is something which is just something we've inserted into the application just to help you a bit. You may remember that at the top of the data module there is this references table, and the references table is supposed to contain all the data module codes of the other data modules that you've referred to. It's also supposed to include the technical publications references, but that's what we've got here. So we've got two ways of doing this. We can either set up the system to, when you do a final output build, to actually do that for you, or you can just use the facility which is built into the menu here, Build Content References Table. If I click on that now, you can see immediately it populates that table with that information.